Can you hear me?
Hello guys, good morning. It's like 4 a.m. so I won't able to speak loudly because maybe quite neighbors get disturbed. And this week, like, it's an important week for us and with some another teacher, as I said last week. And it's important because we are about to learn some conditions and the cases in which how we have to act towards that. If a patient, we will get a patient on public places or airports or something like that. If a patient, we will get airway obstruction or stroke or choking or something like that. So how we have to act towards that, we will learn this week, and I'll show you how our professor will teach us. And yeah, that's all for today. Last week I wasn't able to perform so well because of my health issues, so this week I have to be healthy as well. And yeah, that's my aim, and the primary aim is to learn something this week, because every week we have to be productive and we have to learn something in our career, because it's going like our graph is going like this, not like this, so that's important for us. So let's meet in the hospital. And yeah, and for me it's like coffee time and study time.
हाथ ही नहीं आ रहे पूरा तस्मीन तो बीच में
हाथ ही नहीं पहुंचेगा तेरे तो जोर से Well, after doing this, if there is still having that obstruction, then we will do cricothyroidotomy, as I am doing right now.
थोड़ा बड़ा निकाल दिया।
हाँ ठीक है।
So अभी हाथ में ब्लेड है, कुछ बोलेगा तो नहीं डरेंगे, इसलिए चुप रहना।
भाई तुम तो बोन तक घुसा दोगे यार।
इसकी
नहीं घुसा रहा भाई बोन तक।
वर्टिकल अंदर हॉरिजॉन्टल।
वो तो इतना बढ़िया किया है।
First of all, for Ramadan, and then you make like that,
Okay.
and
Clean it.
make him cleaning from the
Center to periphery.
to periphery.
Okay.
Another one step, for example, 3 times.
Okay.
Okay, from the center to periphery.
So Faizan, Naushad, what we learned today?
So as today our topic is cricothyroidotomy and also the pain. We have discussed the pain physiology, and also we did
Stop singing, bro.
no we did
Faizan, you say what you learned today?
We learned cricothyroidotomy. It was very good. Like we have to make the incision.
Yes.
Generally, we are not allowed to perform this.
Okay.
Because this area is very sensitive.
Okay.
So, but in the emergency, we are used. We are supposed to learn this. Like if we study somewhere and the
Look,
patient
Dr. Faroq.
suddenly collapse.
Okay.
Look, Dr. Faroq, guys, cricothyroidotomy is a very serious and very dangerous
You can't do on the road like that.
No. Not
Like-
all, not all doctors.
Like as
Not all doctors can do this.
yes.
Not all doctors can.
Not
do
all
this, but
doctors
in
and-
case of emergency.
Yeah,
you
yeah,
have
we
to
can do.
this with careness.
Yes.
So we have to save the life of the patient.
And what if you kill that patient? Then
So we have to neglect.
you are in guilty then.
Yes, we have to guilt.
Yes.
We have to feel guilt.
जल्दी
स्टार्ट कर दिया
हाँ
फिर से कर
अरे वो हम एडिट कर लेंगे
Okay, so I am Syed Naushad Qadir from the third class of the medical education, and he is
Myself, Mohammad Faizan.
this is our university.
study
Al
वाली।
Faroq. तो देखें अब ऐसा है क्या हो जाए आप
तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ ऐसा यार देख रहे हो दोस्ती, देखो इनकी, मतलब एक लौंडा यूं टांग फैला के खड़ा है, एक लौंडा शूलेस बांध रहा है। देखो 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 बस बस बस। Well, today in the college we learned like if the person or if a patient is having a choking, then how to clear his throat by the physical some moves, by tapping on the back, and how to give the pressure here so that it would create some pressure and come by mouth. So if it's not possible, then we also learned that how to do cricothyroidotomy if the patient won't able to clear his throat, because like we don't have so much time when a patient is feeling or choking. So we have only 1, 2, 3 minutes max to do this, because if we will not do, then it's the complication will start for the patient. So it's red, but sometimes breaking the rules are good for health. Yes, I break it. So good morning everybody. Today we have a very interesting class in which we will learn so many things, and lecture actually it's of 3 hours or something around, because the teacher have some another appointments as well after our class. So we will just have class something around 2 to 3 hours for that, and we have to learn so many things, because at the weekend we have like practical exam. So we have to show like how we can act against like these emergency situations if we will get something. So because of that, today evening I'm planning to go to my friend's apartment, because at there I would able to practice everything with my friends, and that will induce my knowledge. So yeah, these are the plans today, and let's see what will happen. Actually, I'm eating like this because I'm in hurry. I have so less time to reach the college. It's a soup mixed with, chicken and the goat meat, olive, pickle, and potatoes, carrots, everything. So it's quite healthy. That's why I eat this. So let's meet at the college and I'll show you what we learned today. Okay. First we will go to throw this trash, and then we will go to the college.
You can injure nerve or blood vessel, yes?
Yes.
They situated lower the rib, yes?
Okay.
So you should make your procedure
Above the rib.
on the upper side of the lower rib.
Okay.
Yes?
Okay. So I will take the lead again. Release the air
Safe
from.
position. Yes?
Release the air from this, so that I do not give the pneumothorax to the patient, and then I will inject intradermal
Intradermal.
on the above border of the.
रिब में देनी है
नहीं,
Rib
upper
से ऊपर है।
border पे.
ऐसे घुमा जैसे मैम बता रही है। हाँ वेरी गुड घुमा।
You will insert your needle,
From
your
the below.
percentage needle to this side, yes? So you make anesthesia right
Yes,
in that way, and
Okay.
then label
But you told that.
deeper and deeper, yes?
Okay. So here I will insert
By-
or on the upper border just.
If we have to
Close to upper board, but not on an upper board, yes?
Okay,
The
close to upper
space, intercostal space, closer to the upper board of lower.
क्या बनाना चाहते हो बताओ? किसका? मतलब चूतिया बनाओ? सबका चूतिया बनाओ? तुम क्या बनाना चाहते हो?
हम कुछ नहीं बना रहे
क्यों?
क्योंकि हम बने हैं।
चूतिया इसका बन चुका है, तुम बाकी हो अभी, तुम्हारा बनना बाकी है अभी।
क्या?
चूतिया अच्छा सही है।
I am so clear,
तो प्ले कहाँ जा रहे हो दद्दा? कहाँ जा रहे हो?
घर को जा रहे हैं।
अबे तो चिकन नहीं लोगे, बिरयानी बनानी है ना आज।
ग्लोबस से बाबा कहाँ से निकले हैं ग्लोबस के लिए?
So I'm going to my friend's hostel because, as I said, I have to discuss and practice all the clinical procedures for the examination. And here my friends, Vinay. Hey, here is another one. Yo bro.
हमारे यहाँ प्रैक्टिस वगैरह का कोई सीन नहीं है, ठीक है? यहाँ आओ, खाओ पियो, गाना सुनो, जाओ.
But I came here for the practice, man.
Who invited you to do practice in my
Mr.
room?
Faizan.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, Mr. Noshad, you did, yeah.
No,
in the
I
university.
didn't.
What the fuck,
I
man?
said to you, you can come and have some fun with, like.
So
at
I'm
dinner.
here for fun.
But practicing is not a fun
बिरयानी
skill.
खाओ और निकल जाओ।
अरे हमारा तुम.
Walaikum assalam. Faroq, how are you? Great.
Bakir Bras. Salam.
No, bro. Alright, bro.
So are you going to stay here or just?
No, I come just here to see this beautiful place. Good to see you.
For the entry, I have to give my passport over here. Hey, bhai. हम तो बनाएंगे. देखे रूम का हालत क्या कर रखे हो. ये रूम की क्या दुर्गति बना रखे हो दद्दा? What the mess, bro?
हाँ गाइस, तो ये हैं हमारे आसिफ भाई और ये शादाब भाई पत्ते रेडी करते हुए, और पत्तों का माहौल बनाया है फारूक भाई ने, और शादाब को पीछे से एनर्जी दे रहे हैं फौजान भाई.
अरे डॉक्टरों, कुछ बोलोगे खाने के बारे में? इतनी मेहनत से बनाए हैं.
खाना खाओ।
अरे बताओ दद्दा. नहीं बताओगे?
तुमने बनाया तो वो अच्छा तो होगा इंशाल्लाह।
नौशाद भाई,
बस ये है कि अल्लाह करे धोने की आवश्यकता ना पड़े।
कहाँ जा रहे हैं
हम लोग रात के 2:30 बजे जो है निकल रहे हैं, थोड़ा सा मनासा जो हॉस्टल है
शादाब भाई, कहाँ निकल रहे हैं आप लोग?
उसको देखने.
सैर सपाटे पे.
हम देख रहे हैं कि अपने हॉस्टल का वातावरण सही है कि
It's time like 3 a.m. morning and we are going on around like it's 3 around, Sadab. And we are on round that how many people are just roaming in corridors and how many are sleeping. So I just came out from my friend's hostel and I just came, like, it's sunny day today, and you know when it's sunny day the city is really alive. So I'm just in the park and I'll just sit here, and I have one presentation to make, so I'll make one presentation over here, and also I'll just sit and do some studies because as you see it's a sunny day, so you know all over it's ice, so in sunny days it's quite good, so you know. Здравствуйте. Ассаламу алейкум. Как дела?
Как дела?
Как дела?
Хорошо.
Как тебя зовут? Арман.
As it will be ready, that's a charge, okay?
Okay.
As it will be ready, it give you a signal and you say to everybody back off, yes. And that one is for sternum. As soon as possible, if there is a shockable rhythm, as we saw it, as soon as possible you give them first shock, then continuously start
CPR.
making a CPR and looking for anesthesia monitoring.
Okay.
If there is a still shockable rhythm, you're charged for a second.
अब सही जा रहा है, ग्रीन ग्रीन.
How was your exam, guys?
It was good. Top of the exam. From below.